Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste your PowerPoint slides from your solar system PowerPoint to your final. So you're going to open up your Space Final PowerPoint. You're also going to go to Teams, go to Assignments. You're going to go to the solar system PowerPoint assignment. You're going to open up your assignment personally. You're going to find the slides that you would like. Once it loads, you're going to go to your slide that you are going to copy paste. You're going to right click your mouse. You're going to click the copy button. You're going to go back to your Space Final PowerPoint. You're just going to click on one of the slides down here, and then you're going to Control V to paste it. Now, if you forget how to Control V, you're going to right click, you're going to click paste, and then it'll show you a shortcut in order for you to paste and copy and cut. Once that's done, you're good to go. You do need 4 different planets on your solar system final, on your space final. So you need to make sure you have 4 different ones. Make sure that the information is not copied and pasted from the internet, and then you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching.